Hey there, fellow busy parent. Ever feel like your kitchen's taken over by chaos after a long day? I'm right there with you. Picture this: sticky counters, a grimy microwave, and that fridge that's more science experiment than fresh food hub. But what if I told you could reclaim your space in just 10 minutes a day with simple DIY hacks? No fancy tools, just stuff you already have at home. Today on Home Hacks Daily, we're diving into 10-minute kitchen deep clean hacks tailored for families like yours. These aren't just tricks, they're game changers that save time and sanity. Stick around as we start with the easiest win, blasting away microwave mess without scrubbing. You'll be amazed at how quick it is. Let's get your kitchen shining. Why bother with these hacks? Because a clean kitchen isn't just about looks, it's about starting your day with less stress and more joy. For us in the 36 to 55 crowd, juggling work, kids, and everything else, these quick routines build real confidence in managing our homes efficiently. No more dreading cleanup time. We're talking eco-friendly methods that cut down on chemicals, save money, and work fast. Ready to see the first hack in action? Grab a microwave-safe bowl, fill it with water and a splash of vinegar, and microwave on high for 5 minutes. The steam loosens all that gunk inside. Wipe it out effortlessly, no elbow grease required. This one's a total time saver. Next up, tackling those stubborn countertops with a baking soda paste. Your family will thank you. All right, counters next, the heart of family meal prep, but they get filthy fast. Forget chemical sprays, mix baking soda with a bit of water to make a gentle abrasive paste. Spread it on with a damp cloth, let it sit for a minute, then scrub lightly in circles. Rinse off and watch the shine return. It's tough on grease but safe for your surfaces and the planet. This hack takes under 2 minutes and leaves no residue for little hands to touch. Feeling that efficiency boost already? Great, now let's move to the sink. That stainless steel can look dull from water spots. A quick rub with a lemon half dipped in salt polishes it right up, plus the citrus scent freshens the air naturally. Smells like victory. Keep watching for more of these clever shortcuts. Sinks are another hotspot for buildup, but this next hack is a breeze. Cut a lemon in half, dip the cut side in coarse salt, and rub it over the faucet and basin. The acid eats away at stains, while salt provides gentle scrubbing power. Rinse and your sink gleams like new, plus that zesty aroma lingers, masking any funky smells. It's perfect for busy mornings when you need a quick refresh before breakfast rush. These small wins add up, making your home feel more manageable. Now onto the stovetop, where spills turn into baked-on nightmares. Sprinkle baking soda over the mess, spray with vinegar, and watch it fizz like a science show. Wipe away the foam and it's gone in seconds. Easy, effective, and fun for the kids to watch too. Your kitchen's transforming, let's keep the momentum. Who loves watching things bubble? This stove hack is satisfyingly simple. After cooking, hit any spots with baking soda, then spritz white vinegar from a spray bottle. The chemical reaction lifts grease without harsh scrubbing, nature's cleaner at work. Let it sit a moment, then wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. Takes less than a minute per burner, freeing you up for family time. These hacks are all about smart shortcuts that fit your real life. Shifting gears to the fridge, organizing it quickly prevents future messes. Line shelves with parchment paper for easy spill cleanup and use bins for condiments. Pull everything out, wipe with a vinegar-dampened cloth, and restock smartly. Boom, fridge in order, food freshness preserved. You're on a roll. Next, we'll tackle cabinets. The fridge can be a black hole of expired jars and spills if neglected, but not anymore. Start by tossing anything past its prime. Quick audit takes 30 seconds. Wipe interiors with a baking soda solution. 1 tablespoon in a quart of water. It neutralizes odors and cuts grime gently. For shelves, slide in adhesive shelf liners that trap crumbs and are peel-off easy. Group like items in recycled containers for grab-and-go efficiency. Your kids will find snacks faster, less mess overall. This hack extends food life, saving you grocery dollars too. Feeling empowered. Good, now for those greasy cabinet doors. A mix of dish soap and warm water on a sponge does the trick, followed by a vinegar rinse for shine. Dry immediately to avoid streaks. Simple steps, big impact. Up next, floor refresh. Kitchen's floors take a beating from dropped food and foot traffic, but a quick sweep and mop revives them. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a bucket, add a drop of essential oil for scent. Mop vigorously, then let air dry, no rinsing needed. This natural mix disinfects without sticky buildup, ideal for homes with pets or allergies. For tough spots, sprinkle salt before mopping to scrub away stuck-on bits. Your floor sparkles and it smells fresh for hours. These routines are building blocks for a home you control, not one that controls you. Now, appliances like the toaster, crumbs inside. Unplug, shake upside down over trash, then vacuum crevices with a brush attachment. Wipe exterior with a vinegar cloth. Quick, quiet, and crumb-free. Let's build on this with drawer organization next. Drawers turn into junk zones fast, utensils tangled, mystery lids everywhere. Empty one out, sort into categories, and line the bottom with liner paper for easy wipe downs. Use cardboard dividers from boxes to create sections. It's free and customizable. Wipe insides with soapy water, dry thoroughly to prevent mold. Now everything has a place, reducing morning frustration. This hack streamlines cooking, giving you more time for what matters. We've covered the basics, your kitchen's halfway to perfection. As we ramp up, get ready for advanced tips on those tricky areas like the oven and dishwasher. These build on what you've learned, tackling deeper cleans without the hassle. You're doing great, these skills stick with you for life. Now for the climax, that dreaded oven. Baked-on spills seem impossible, but here's the pro move. Spray the door with vinegar, then cover with a baking soda paste. Let it foam and sit for 10 minutes while you sip coffee. Scrub with a non-scratch pad, most grime lifts off effortlessly. For the racks, soak in your bathtub with dishwasher pods in hot water overnight, but if short on time, a quick hot water and Dawn soak works wonders. Your oven looks factory fresh, baking better and safer. This advanced hack challenges the toughest messes, proving you can handle anything. Feeling that surge of accomplishment? Hold on to it. Next, the dishwasher deep clean to seal the deal. Dishwashers quietly build up film and smells, but this hack resets it fast. Place a bowl of white vinegar on the top rack and run a hot cycle. It descales and deodorizes naturally. Then sprinkle baking soda in the bottom and run another short cycle to polish. Check the filter, twist out, rinse under tap, and scrub if needed. Your dishes come out spotless every time, no more cloudy glasses. This advanced tip ensures your helper appliance stays at peak performance, saving water and energy too. We've conquered the big challenges, your kitchen's now a haven of efficiency. As we wrap up, reflect on how these hacks fit seamlessly into your routine, making home life smoother and more enjoyable. Let's recap the magic. Microwave steam clean, baking soda counters, lemon sink polish, fizzing stovetop, fridge liners, cabinet wipes, floor mops, drawer sorts, oven paste, and dishwasher cycles. Each hack under 10 minutes total, using pantry staples for eco wins and budget smarts. Imagine less overwhelm, more quality time with loved ones, a kitchen that supports your busy life, not hinders it. These techniques build lasting confidence, turning chores into quick victories. You've got this. Apply one today and feel the difference. Sharing these with friends, they'll thank you. Home Hacks Daily is your go-to for more practical tips. The benefits are clear: cleaner home, less stress, happier family dynamics, and that proud feeling of mastery over your space. These hacks aren't one-offs, they're habits for efficient living. If this sparked ideas, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly DIY wonders. Comment below, which hack will you try first? Your feedback fuels more content just like this. Thanks for joining me on this kitchen revival. Go tackle that mess and enjoy the shine. See you next time on Home Hacks Daily, where handy meets efficient.